Greetings to everyone to whom our project is being presented to. As the slide displays, we call our project Justify, which throws light on our objective to deliver a transparent AI system for the financial sector. Historical evidence has shown the widespread influence of the movement of the Nifty index, not only on the macroeconomic indicators, but also on individuals all across the country. This brings me to elaborate our problem definition so that you can evaluate our idea. The system we are developing will firstly test and consequently quantify highly focused but nonetheless influential hypotheses relating to the Nifty 50. We will not only be able to deliver profitable trading insights but also be able to provide human interpretable decision understanding.
This is the real-time web scraping script for Nifty 50. The live data of the index is scraped from a well-known website, Yahoo Finance. A test cell is just to ensure if the scraped data is consistent with the actual market values. Now, a series of functions have been declared which perform the task of fetching a particular parameter about Nifty 50. There are certain details about the index apart from its price. Every such parameter has a HTML tag and class which is used to fetch particular information from the website. The data extracted from the functions is appended in separate Python lists. Finally, all the lists are converted to a pandas data frame. To have access to such data costs lakhs of rupees, and this issue has been resolved by this scraping code. The other important arm of our project is news classification. The news data required for the same has been fetched from Economic Times website. The website posts about 20 news a day related to Nifty 50, and all of them are recorded using this web scraping code. The news posted on this website contains a news heading, timestamp, and a short description of the news. Separate an infinite loop is declared which continues to look for a fresh news from the website and appends the fetched information in appropriate list as soon as a fresh news is posted. The same is printed to make sure if the code runs correctly. Finally, the Python lists are combined to form a pandas data frame and required information is saved.
Now I would like to talk about the technical analyses that we have conducted for the price prediction mechanism of our system. We have used LSTM, or which is also called as long short-term memory, which utilizes advanced gated recurrent units. The working is very intuitive, similar to the human mindset of forecasting trends. Also, LSTMs have the promise of being able to learn the context rather than having the context pre-specified or fixed. I will now demonstrate this with the graph below you. And you can see that blue pattern is tightly overlapped by the orange and the green patterns. The orange and the green patterns are the actual predicted data sets, and this is validated by the acceptable RMSE scores of 0.83 for the train and 1.33 for the test scores.
So talking about the news classification, you can see the head of the dataset here. The pre-processing includes lowercasing of all the of the news column, removal of punctuations, removal of stop words such as and in. It also includes removal of frequent words, for example, Nifty, which has been used for 937 times, shares changed, LTD. These words they do not contribute towards the final score or the final classification of the news, and they add redundancy. So removal of frequent words has been done. uh, Lemmatization process has been carried out, which is basically converting words like false strengthens to their root word, that is fall and strengthen, to again avoid redundancy. We build a predictive model. The model is basically a pipeline laid consisting of a count vectorizer, a TF-IDF transformer, a random classifier. The accuracy achieved by the model is 80.95%. We explain the predictions of the model to differentiate between bearish, neutral, and bullish news. Although the classifier achieves 81% accuracy, one might trust the prediction based on this. The explanation for any instance may be made for quite arbitrary reasons. Hence, we use local interpretable model agnostic explanations, or commonly known as the LIME framework, to provide interpretable representation for the text classification. which is a vector indicating the presence or absence of a word, even though the classifier may use more complex, incomprehensible features such as word embeddings. So here we are making a LIME pipeline and creating an explanation instance which will give the top 5 features. It will choose the top 5 features from the sentence and mention them here. The model predicts that the news snippet is bullish, and the line highlights the keywords in the news that led to the prediction. Rise is portrayed as contributing to the bullish prediction, while sleep and SGX is the evidence against it. With these, a user can make an informed decision about whether to trust the model's prediction. News may be classified wrongly. For example, in the given figure, the true class of the news is neutral, but the model wrongly predicted it as bullish news. Words like market and bullish have no connection to neutral news. The word market appears 161 times out of 1000 news in the training set. Most of them are in the bullish class. After getting such insights from the explanation, it is clear that this dataset has serious issues which are not evident just by studying the raw data or predictions, and that the classifier or held out evaluation cannot be trusted. It is also clear what the problems are and the steps that can be taken to fix these issues and train a more trustworthy classifier. The purpose of this project is to simplify the process of analysis for the end user. The interactive dashboard will provide informative insights in lucid manner through combination of visuals which can be seen here. The first visual indicates the trend of Nifty 50. The index value is plotted against time and is segregated as actual and predicted. The actual part represents the real index values during the trading session, while the predicted part is the output of the prediction by the technical analysis by our LSTM model. The user can simply hover the cursor to get basic details such as index value and the timestamp of that particular value. The vertical dotted lines on the dashboard indicate the emergence of a news at a particular time instant. The second visual showcases various news along with their timestamps to the green and red circles. The color of the circle indicates whether the news is bullish or bearish and gives a quick idea of market sentiment to the end user. The third section can be accessed by clicking on any of the news data points in the news timeline. The details of the particular news, such as the headline, timestamp, and news description, can be seen in the pop up visual. The visual also contains a pie chart which indicates the percentage split of the news being bullish, bearish, or neutral. The fourth section explains to the user why a particular news has been classified as bearish, bullish, or neutral. Each of the categories mentioned earlier displays top 5 influential keywords of that class, and they are highlighted in the tooltip. The contribution of their weights towards the news, either positive or negative, can be seen in the horizontal bar plots.